Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am cooking from a different place in the UK, which is Birmingham, of course. You saw all them series of me traveling to Birmingham. So I also cooked in Birmingham. These are a few of my ingredients that I'm going to be used for my cooking. Yes, this is the night before, the day after. Yes, and those are my lovely ingredients, and I'll be making all of that scrummy goodness for you. Stay tuned, watch the video, give the video a like, share the video, subscribe if you haven't. If you have already subscribed, thank you for coming, thank you for staying. Watch till the end. Something good is coming. Those are all my lovely ingredients that I'm showing, like I said, you know, that I'm gonna be cooking some niceness, some loveliness. Yep. There's my chicken pieces. I've washed them with lemon and vinegar, and I'm going to be seasoning them. And those are all the lovely seasonings that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be using all those lovely seasonings. Yes. And I will try my best to tell you what's the measurement. Yes, but for me, I don't really measure stuff. I pour until the heavens say, pour no more. Pour, pour, pour. If you want to do as I do, you can pour along with me. Or if you don't want to do that, you can guesstimate it. But I'll be using all these seasonings. I didn't have time to measure anything, guys, as I was cooking a lot of food. So there's my seasoning. It's on my meat, guys. And I'm going to be rubbing all of that goodness in. And as I said, this is the night before the day. Yes, the night before tomorrow. So yes, guys, you need to season your meat from overnight if you want it to taste finger-licking good. Now, this is the day after the night. There's my potatoes. I've peeled them and I'm washing them. This potato, guys, I'm going to be making mashed potato. I've used 1 bag of potato, guys, because I'm cooking excess amount. Yes? So I'm cooking and I'm leaving food for my son because he's at uni now. So I'm cooking so he can have food to last him for at least a week. So I'm washing my potato. There you are. They've all diced up. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put them on the stove. You can see them in the pot right there. I'm putting in a teaspoon of salt, guys. And I'm going to be making that boil, leaving it to boil until it softens, guys. And then I'm going to add the rest of my ingredients. I hope you like the video so far. Give the video a like. That's my pot. I'm opening up the pot. There's my lovely, gorgeous, scrummy looking meat that I seasoned from the night before the day. Yes, and that's it. That's what it's looking like. Cover that back and attend to something else. Yeah, there's my potatoes bubbling. Guys, I normally, when I'm doing my garlic potato, I normally use my garlic crusher to crush my garlic and put it in the pot. But as I'm not at home, I'm away from home, I have to improvise. So there's my garlic. It's liquidy because I had to blitz it up in the juicer and I'm pouring it in. I substituted. That's what a good cook does. You don't moan and complain, you substitute. Yes? So I'm going to leave it to boil for a little bit longer. Like I said, I'm using 1 bag of potatoes. Yeah? So that's my potatoes. Looking nice and bubbly, nice and juicy, nice and scrummy, finger looking, mouth watering good. I'm going to make that boil for another minute or so until soft and tender, like I said. Yeah? Stay tuned. There's my baking tray ready for my chicken. I'm putting in 1 tablespoon of oil. You can use any oil you desire, guys. So I'm oiling my pan and I'm going to be putting in my chicken pieces. I'm going to cover it with foil paper and I'm going to put it in the oven to bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. Yes? At 250 degrees or 180 degrees, whichever is your preference, whether in Celsius or Fahrenheit. There's my chicken pieces. Looking good so far. I'm putting them on the tray and I'm going to put them in my oven. And just like that, the tray is full. Wow, magic, guys, magic. Yes? and I've got 2 trays of chicken, but you won't see the next tray because you don't need to see that, of course. And that's my chicken, covering it with the foil like I said before earlier. Yes, cover it up. And guys, you don't put water in or anything. It's gonna steam and it's gonna create its own water. Trust me and believe me. Anyway, that's finished. So now I'm gonna be making my mashed potato. I'm adding some black peppers. To this, I'm gonna be adding a teaspoon of black pepper, guys. Yes, just a teaspoon. So for now, I'm putting a half a teaspoon, and then later on, you'll see me add some more. That is the next half a teaspoon. So that's 1 teaspoon of black pepper, guys. Yes, you also can add some butter or some margarine, whichever one you desire. Yes, you can add it in. Unsalted would be better for those that have high blood pressure or anything like that. Yes, and you put that in and you just give it a good old mix. Mix, mix, mix. Ooh, look at that, guys. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Can I tell you, when I say it tastes good, I mean it tastes so good, guys. So good. It tasted yummy, yummy, yummy. Yes, mix, mix, mix. Mix, 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 mix. Let's mix it up. Let's mix it up. Mix it. Give it a good old mix. Yes. Now I'm putting in some garlic granules. That's optional. You don't have to. I've put in a half a teaspoon of garlic granules. And I'm crushing out my potatoes, mashing them out. Mash, mash, mash the potatoes. Like, don't mash me anymore, please. And I'm like, no, I have to mash you. That is how it must be. So I'm mashing, guys. I'm mashing and smashing and mashing and smashing. Mash, mash, mash. Now I've paused. Okay, now I'm putting in some cheese, some grated cheddar cheese. That's optional again. You don't have to put that in, but I am putting in some grated cheddar cheese, about a 1/4 cup of grated cheddar cheese. Yes, and I'm gonna mash it some more. Of course, what did you expect? I am mashing it. So I am mashing it, mashing and mixing and mixing and mashing. Yes, look at it, guys. Do you like it? Do you like what you've seen so far? Please give the video a like if you like what you've seen so far. Give me your feedback. Let me know in the comment section what you think. There's me putting in the rest of the black pepper, as I said before, the next half a teaspoon. So I put in total 1 teaspoon of black pepper, guys. Yes? Now for the star of the show, the mayonnaise, guys. If you're vegan, you can use vegan mayo. Yes? Or if you're not vegan and you don't care, you can use whatever mayo your heart desire. Yes? And that gives it the nice rich taste. There it is right there. Yes, looking nice, looking gorgeous, if I say so myself. Yes, it's looking good. It's looking good. What do you guys think about it so far? What do you think is going on? Do you like what you see? Yes? Now I'm going to spoon it out and put it in a bowl so I can put it down to cool and then put it in the refrigerator, guys. Voila! Just like that. That's my mashed potato. What do you guys think? Do you like the look? Do you like the process? What do you like? What do you not like? What do you normally do, or what would you do different? Let me know in the comment section. That's over and done with. Now it's time to make my pasta, guys, and I've bought some nice colorful pastas. Yes, and I'm gonna be making a pasta salad, guys. Yes, a nice pasta salad. So you're gonna boil your pasta until tender. I'm gonna be adding to the boiled water. I like to boil my water, guys. It makes it easier. So I'm gonna be adding to the boiled water a half a teaspoon of salt, just for flavor, guys. Yes, I'm gonna be adding that, and I'm going to be making my pasta salad. Stay tuned and watch the process, guys. Yes, there's me pouring in my boiling water. Pour, pour, pour. Pour, pour, pour. And soon it will start bubbling. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Yes, guys, some wicked cooking going on here, you know. Some nice Jamaican cooking. I'm throwing down, guys, as they would say in America, as my family in America would say. I'm throwing down. Yes, so So you put in your salt like I said, yes, a half a teaspoon of salt, and you stir that in. That's over and done with. I'm leaving that to boil. Now you can see my bell peppers, aka sweet peppers as we would call them in Jamaica. I'm going to be de-seeding them, taking out the membrane. That's the membrane that you can see me taking out. I'm going to be cutting out all of the membrane. Yes, and I'm going to be de-seeding them, getting rid of all the seed. We don't want the seed and we don't want the membrane. If you eat your membrane, that's fine. You can do that. But I personally don't. So I'm cutting them out, guys. And I've also give my peppers a good old wash. Wash your food, guys. Wash your veggies. Anything that you're cooking, wash them. And wash your hands, guys. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Look at those peppers. They look so nice. Nice and colorful. And bye for now, guys. See you for part 2. Love you all with the love of Christ. Bye. Please give the video a like.